Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Origami Kit is probably one of the most engaging and educational activities for kids aged 8 to 12, offering a unique blend of art, math, and problem solving. It's not just about folding paper, but also about fostering creativity, improving fine motor skills, and developing patience and perseverance as they transform simple squares into amazing shapes, leading to a sense of accomplishment and boosting their self-esteem. This video will help you choose the perfect origami kit for your child. Number 5. Gamenote Colorful Origami Kit. It's time to explore the exciting world of origami. This kit is perfect for kids and adults alike, offering hours of fun and creative expression. With 120 double-sided sheets in 54 vibrant designs and 12 extra practice sheets, you'll have everything you need to create amazing origami masterpieces. The paper is durable and easy to work with. Our 55-page instruction book provides step-by-step guidance, making it simple for everyone to learn and enjoy the art of origami. It's a great activity for parents and children to do together. From flowers and animals to rockets and spaceships, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create your own unique origami designs. It makes a wonderful gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. It's a fun and engaging activity that encourages creativity and problem-solving skills. This kit is made with high-quality, non-toxic materials, ensuring a safe and enjoyable crafting experience. The vibrant colors are long-lasting and won't fade easily. What we like? It has a huge variety of projects and papers to choose from, along with an instruction book to guide you. If you are looking for a comprehensive origami kit with many options for learning and creating, this is the one for you. It's perfect for beginners who want to explore many different origami models and for those who want a large supply of paper for their creations. Number 4. Pinwheel Crafts Origami Kit. Unleash your creativity with 30 stunning flower projects. This kit provides 100 colorful sheets, bendable stems, and sparkly buttons to bring your designs to life. Enjoy a calming and exciting paper craft experience. It's perfect for family bonding, homeschooling, or simply unwinding with creativity. Strengthen your patience, fine motor skills, and creative thinking with every fold. This kit inspires pride and persistence in young learners and beyond. Whether you're a first-time crafter or an experienced one, it offers clear instructions to guide you through each step. It's perfect for all ages and skill levels. It includes everything you need: 100 colorful sheets, bendable stems, decorative buttons, and an instruction book. Get ready for hours of fun and creativity. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This screen-free origami set is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's sure to inspire hours of creative fun. What we like? This kit focuses on creating beautiful flowers with added embellishments. If you like making intricate and visually appealing origami, this kit is perfect for you. The additional stems and buttons add a unique touch, making your creations even more special and suitable for gifting. What people say? The instructions were very clear and the papers were of decent quality. Kept the kids busy for a couple of hours. We spent hours making these. Great bonding experience. Kept my hands working and was amazed at my creativity. Number 3. Origami for Kids Kit. Spark your child's imagination with this exciting origami kit. It's filled with everything they need to create amazing paper animals and more. This kit isn't just paper and instructions, it's a journey of discovery. 20 unique projects await, from adorable bunnies to fascinating crabs. Even beginners can master the art of origami. Clear instructions and easy-to-see fold lines make every project achievable. With 100 sheets of colorful paper, the possibilities are endless. Let your child's creativity run wild. It's more than just a craft. It's a fun and educational experience that improves fine motor skills and problem-solving abilities. Looking for a unique and engaging gift? This origami kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like? It offers a good balance of projects and papers, with easy-to-follow instructions. If you are looking for a simple and fun origami kit for younger children, this is a great choice. The clear instructions and easy fold lines make it perfect for beginners. What people say? The instructions were good and they give you plenty of copies of the lined pages to do your favorites over and over. The video instructions made proper folding a breeze, and he thoroughly enjoyed not just the experience, but playing with his finished creation. Colored pages showing the project with step-by-step instructions. The added assistance of downloading each project to watch how they are made and pages of paper already marked with fold lines make this book invaluable. Number 2. Origami Paper Kit for Kids. It comes with 300 sheets of colorful origami paper and an instruction book. Each project has 3 color options, perfect for beginners and classroom activities. The book provides easy-to-follow image and instructions for each step. Kids will gain a sense of accomplishment as they complete projects of varying difficulty. It includes animals, plants, transportation, and everyday objects. Kids will love transforming a simple square into so many cute creations. Made of durable, colorful paper that won't tear easily. It's safe, non-toxic, and the finished models are great for decorating. It's a wonderful way for kids and adults to bond, fostering cooperation and social skills. It also makes an ideal gift for children. What we like. This kit boasts an impressive number of papers and projects, along with an easy-to-understand instruction book. If you need a large quantity of paper and a wide variety of projects to keep you busy for a long time, this is the ideal choice. It's great for both beginners and those who want to improve their skills. Number 1. Pinwheel Crafts Origami Kit. This kit is perfect for beginners. The instructions are clear and simple, making it easy to create amazing origami. With 50 unique projects to choose from, you'll never get bored. From animals to hearts, there's something for everyone. It includes 450 sheets of high-quality paper in a variety of colors and patterns. Your creations will be bright and eye-catching. It's a great way to spend quality time with your family. Create beautiful origami together and make lasting memories. The paper is durable and easy to fold, ensuring your creations are perfect. It's the ideal origami kit for kids and adults alike. What we like. It comes with a massive amount of paper and a good variety of projects, all with easy-to-follow instructions. If you want a large quantity of paper and many project ideas, this kit is perfect for you. The easy instructions make it suitable for younger children and beginners. What people say. Difficulty levels are clearly marked on each page. So the kids can start with the easy stuff and work up. The papers are already squared with colors and cute patterns. They're thinner than regular paper, so easier to work with. The instructions are super easy to follow, and I've already made a few animals with the paper holding just fine. An array of colors and plenty of ideas makes wonderful fun. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.